Did you know I'm a ghost?
I did know.
That's right, man.
That is.
Don't feel sad for me. It's okay.
Do you like what you're doing now?
Very much.
Oh, good.
It's all good. I don't understand. Sad ghosts